Good morning all. This is the problem of operation research from the transportation problem. In this it contains three methods, that is NWCM and LCM and the VAM. We are going to see the how to solve the problems here. So in the northwest corner method, so we have to select the northwest corner, and that is here. The first we have to allocate the 250 here. So after that, so we have to cancel the entire column here 0, and the equalsly we have to cancel 300 because supply is more here, so we have to get 50 here. So after that, which is northwest corner, here is 1, so we have to allocate 50 here, so we have to cancel 50, and also approximately that is we have to cancel this entirely row column here. So we have to here 350 is there, so we have to cancel 350 here. 50 minus 350 is 300 we got here. So after that, only two rows are three columns and two rows are left. So I have to, which is northwest, here it is a northwest corner, so I have to allocate here, which is least one 300, so I have to allocate the 300 here. So we have to cancel the column, we have to cancel the column here, so we get 0 here. That is here 400 minus 300, we get 100 here. And so here it is the northwest corner, so I have to allocate 100 here. After that, I have to cancel the 100, it becomes 0, and this is 400 left. 400 minus 300 here left, so here's the northwest corner, so we have to write 300 here, so that is 300. Okay, here 300, so 500 minus 300 is 200 left. So finally we get 200 minus 200 is 0. So it is the problem of balanced method. So after that, we have to calculate the how much answer is we get, and what is the answer we get. So that is 250 into 3 and 50 into 1 and 300 into 6, that 1800. So 500, 900, so 400. The answer we get is 4400. The next one is the LCM method, that is least one. So least one means we have to remember that one, least one we have to choose the least one in this method, which is the least number, that is here 317426598332. okay, least one here, so which is 1 is the least in this entire numbers. So we have to choose the least one, so that is 300. Means supply is 300 here and demand is 350, so which is supply is least, so I have to select the 300, we have to allocate 300 here. So in the 350 minus 300 we get 50 only get. So after that, which is the least one, so we have to choose the least one. So here we choose on the 200 here, because we have to look after that which is the least one, so it is the least one, 200. okay, we have to allocate 200 here, and 500 minus 200 is we get 300. So after that, we will go through the this it is the least one, second least, third least one. So we have to allocate demand is supply is 400, demand is 250, so we have to cancel the 250 here, so allocate 250 here, and go through 400 minus is we get a 150 here, 400 minus 250 is we get a 150. So after that, which is least one, here is 3 and 3, so we allocate 300 here. So okay, here is a 300, so we have to allocate 300, so cancel this, 400 minus 100 for 400 minus 300 we get 100. So after that, so we probably laterally we cancel this is not included. After that, so we have to go through this, because it is the least one, means it is the last least one, last bit least one, so it's a 100, so we have to allocate 100 here, which is left 150, 50 is left. So after that, it is the last one, so we have to allocate 50, and here is the remains 50, so 0 0. So next from the calculation part, that is 300 into 500, 300 plus 500 plus 900 plus 400. The total answer is 2900. So this is the final one, that is VAM method. So in this we have to choose firstly we have to write the row difference and column difference here. So then the same tips for the LCM and the VAM method. So we are going to choose the 300, the least one. So that is, so in this method we are going to difference between first least one and second least one. In this we are going to, this is the first, this is 1, and the difference between this is 2, and we have to calculate like this. And the second list, 2 minus 5 minus 2 is 3, and the 2 minus 3 minus 2 is 1. So I have to go through the column like this. 3 minus 2 is 1, and 1 minus 3 is 2, and 5 minus 3 is 2. The difference we have to get it. So we have to choose which is highest. So 3 is the highest, so we have to allocate 2. It is a northwest, so we have to allocate 250 here, because it is a demand is low here. So 250 here, the left is 150. So after that we have to go for the difference. Means the entire column will get 0. After that we have to look at in this, we have to difference it. 1 minus 4 minus 1 is 3, and the 6 minus 5 is 1, and there are 3 minus 2 is 1. So I have to like that we have to calculate the difference in column 1. So that is 6 minus 2 is 2, and 5 minus 3 is 2, 4 minus 2 is 2. So which is the highest? So we have get the 3 here, so therefore we have to allocate here only. So here is 300 given, so I have to allocate 300. So here is 50, so I have to, where 50 is, we got 50 here. So after that we have to again we got here 0, I have to cancel the row here. Okay, after that we have to get difference. So we got nothing here because we cancelled this all row. We have to write the dash there. After that 3 columns are left, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So I have to, in this method we have 6 minus 5 is 1, and 3 minus 2 is 1. After that in the row is 3 2, difference is 9 minus 2 is 7. So we have to, which is the highest one? So 7 is the highest one, so I have to allocate 200 is, we have to allocate 200 is 0, cancelled in the column. So which 500 minus is 300 is left. So okay, after that we have to the 4 numbers are left here, 4 numbers are left, the which is next we have to take the difference between it. 6 minus 5 is 1, 3 is difference 0, and 3 difference, this is also 2 difference. So which is highest? 3 is the highest, so we have allocate 50 here, and so we have to 50 got 0 here, so we have to cancel this. So after that we are written here 150, if we are allocated the 150 left, so here is 250. So is so finally we get here, we have to allocate 250 here because it is the left here. Here also 250, all I get 0. So the final answer is, this is a 300 into 500 plus 750 150. I directly put the answer here, so we have to calculate. Thank you. Subscribe my channel, like and share, comment. Whatever doubts you have got, please go to the comment section and comment there.